In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a selection in Google Sheets. If you've ever wasted a page or two printing an entire spreadsheet when you only needed a small portion, this will save you time, ink, and frustration. We'll focus on printing exactly the cells you want, and nothing extra. Start by selecting the exact range you want to print. Click and make to highlight those cells, or hold Shift while using the arrow keys to fine-tune your selection. If you want your column headers or labels to appear on the printout, make sure they're included in that highlighted area. Keep in mind that anything you select, blank rows or extra columns, will show up, so keep the selection tight and intentional. Next, open the print menu. The fastest way is to press Ctrl plus P. If you're on a Mac, Command plus P works the same way. You can also use the menu at the top and choose Print. This brings up the Google Sheets print preview, which is where the magic happens. On the right side of the preview, look for the print dropdown. By default, it usually says Current Sheet, which would print the whole tab. Change that to Selected Cells. As soon as you switch it, the preview will update to show only the range you highlighted earlier. If you don't see your selection, it's worth canceling, reselecting your range, and opening the print preview again. If your selection looks tiny or doesn't use the page well, adjust the scale. Find the scale setting and choose Fit to Page. This tells Sheets to enlarge or shrink your selection so it fills the paper neatly without cutting anything off. It's a quick way to make your printout look polished. If your data is wide, you can also glance at orientation and margins to make sure the layout feels balanced, but Fit to Page often does the trick on its own. Take a moment to review the preview. Check that your headers are included, the columns aren't cramped, and everything is legible. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next. That moves you to your system's print dialog, where you can confirm your printer and finalize the job. At this point, you're ready to print just the cells you selected. That's all there is to it. By selecting your range, switching the print option to selected cells, and using Fit to Page when needed, you'll get clean, focused printouts every time, without wasting paper on the rest of the sheet.